tie base, titanium. Sometimes, like I said, we make the chrome cobalt as more rigid, but this is good enough for titanium bases. And then we gold anodize it. I all the time emphasize it, the longevity about the zirconia restoration, which is same zirconia from 5 implant. Okay, so problem is this is long span panic, it's a long span, and then there's another problem. Here is the more problem for occlusion. It's very imperative. You see the all natural teeth fake restoration. They're just grinding just like cow. So that one is occlusion forces only this area, is not the back. That engage with teeth, and then they cracking, which is more problem in the teeth is fake restorations, right? Okay, so like I kept saying to the doctor, and here is a cracking because of big panic and in between the tie base area. The solution is here. Okay, so we made a great. Sometimes I made the chrome cobalt. This one is better, and then better bonding, better strength, the rigid and the protect too. But this one is titanium, and top of this we fabricated just like that sleeve. Make sense? This is another great idea. Then we still maintain contour, facial, and linger, and then we can replace those problem from there. So I can match like this. Okay. So this is another good solution for LSK 121. So therefore, this zirconia, which is beautiful made it, that's why it failed it. So whenever they do here, it's a beautiful, okay? But guess what? This is a cracking just like that, two piece. Do you like that? Nobody likes this, right? Nobody's kind. So let me show you how we prevent this kind of problem, not only aesthetic, but also we preparing about the long span panic, and then prevent the fracture, zirconia fracture. So first we have to make the tie base titanium. Sometimes, like I said, we make the chrome cobalt as more rigid, but this is good enough for titanium bases. And then we gold anodize it, and then before we cement it, we just make the X mark. And then I made a lot of videos, social media, so you can take a look at it. All my YouTube channels are using the Tav Dental cement, which is perfectly fine. And then this one is designed perfectly in the patient's eye. So what I want from this, I just want to make sure all pontic is sealed, everything is good, and then make our design is more this shape. Our design, so my slip over, then make sure the all integration same good burnishing. So right after we milling from the eye mill from Imagine USA, they made a great job, and then we fabricate it. Okay, of course we have to do this one top of that design. You can do both at the same time, but I prefer after I fabricate it, I scan it or packing because of the color, and then we fabricate the final restorations. Okay, so these restorations like that, like just like sleeve, just glove like this. That's the key. Make sense? So what I like this in between the teeth and abutment and this is very good smooth transition, which is good hygiene. Okay, the treat just like your teeth as good as possible. So another key is whenever doctor have to send me the photo, they have to send me the photo, the big smile, it's a maximum smile, so then I see the gum line. Then I can either cover the implant side or not cover the implant side. Or I can make no pink porcelain or pink porcelain. That's very imperative. Not only smile, rest position, and big smiling, retract smiling, or high smile, what I'm looking for, the photo, then I can decide it. the cover with the implant side or not. Okay, so finally we fabricate it. Now we can do cement between the teeth, and just like that, sandblast it after I cut it, and then we just seat it from here, and absolutely great seating. Okay, so then make the better okay, so same design, the better color, but protect really well. Okay, especially here is cracking, then we save this one too. That's the key. All right, you see the huge cracking in between the here. You see, that one is the big problem. Okay, so this one made using the Thai base, but this one is no Thai base, but frame engaged with that. There's a huge differences. Okay, let's say Thai base meaning the from here like this. It's very tiny one engaged together, and the problem is the like this, right? The problem is compared to this and this, huge difference, right? This is a lot of times the patient has the, even though they make the full mouth zirconia, they failure with the Thai base only. It's a very tiny one here. Okay, but this one is no Thai base failure because engaged with the frame. Not only that, with the top we put together so we can give them the best as much as possible. So we're trying to give them a little bit cleanability in between the teeth so patient can clean it the better. And not only that, we have to check the mounting, the occlusion forces, what I discussed before. After a Thai base, see this, we have to controlling all those kinds of things after that. Okay, so that's why I fix it, and I'm glad I share with our information. I'm a dental lab technician. Okay, I'm not a dentist, so dentists can only use us with a prescription pad. So this is a final. I'm happy to share with you guys. Thanks for watching my channel.